Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment. So guys, I am back with another video. Hey guys, Ziyakhala, it's crying, you know. So I'm sure we all still remember Wandi Ndlovu, right? Wandi Ndlovu was on a show called This Body Works For Me. She was one of the girls there, and that's how a lot of people got to know her. And she was also famous, man. She is still famous for dating Nigerians. Belena, she said it herself, she will never date a South African man. She wants Nigerians because like they can, they can provide. They also have, So girl Kesana, she is currently trending because her friend, hey guys, be careful of friends. Her friends exposed her and said that she recently did a BBL. For those who don't know, this is the picture of the BBL. This is a recent picture. So Ugyal recently did a BBL in Nigeria, and then now she is trending. It is alleged by her friend Ulebu, who was also in the show This Body Works For Me. It is alleged by that friend Uguti Ukyal did a BBL in Nigeria ngeskoloto. Right? I will attach the video, guys. I will attach the clip at the end of this so that you guys can just hear it for yourself. But good try, Kesana Ukyal did a BBL ngeskoloto, and now the Nigerians are just holding her there until she pays off the money. And Kesana, this means that she can't go anywhere until she pays them off, for the BBL, for the flights and other stuff. So she needs to be stripping because she is a stripper that side in Nigeria. She needs to be stripping and stripping so that she gets enough money to pay them off, guys. Can you believe that? She needs to strip and strip to gather the money to pay them off, and then she can also come back to enjoy her life. So hey guys, social media. Here's a video, guys. Please watch for yourself and let me know what you think.
But why? Why do you think that a lot of the girls on This Body Works For Me just went to go strip in Nigeria?
That's what they sold them. The idea, Oguti.
Who sold the idea? What idea?
The guys approaching.
What idea was that?
Oguti, you're gonna make a lot of money inside. You're gonna pay for your lipos. We're gonna do your BBL.
We're gonna pay for your lipos and do your BBLs. Yes. So in Nigeria they do their BBLs.
Yes, that's what some of us put power on.
Where? In ways. Okay, break it down for me. So they go to Nigeria, they strip, and then the guys promise them, we are gonna do your lipo.
Your lipos, we're gonna pay your rent, we're gonna give you an allowance, but you need to pay back.
Is this now also the situation with Wandi?
No, I'm not gonna.
Okay, no, don't say names. Just tell me.
But
about.
No, to be honest, because before I in Nigeria, she was the one who called me. She's going to Nigeria because this is close me no Wandi. Then she's like, I'm gonna make a lot of money.
What?
From a flight to apartment to a BBL, also in the imali and stuff. Lana South Africa mali. Okay, sharp. And then also Dion said some covenants at airport. So Wandi, we are in jail. So this is what's happening. Maralebo now, I don't know how to strip. Mkela unconnect with Diamond. Ningambuzu Diamond. Why connect to him? Ugutabe na license pole dancer.
And then manje bayawathola lama license of pole dancer, and then bayofika Nigeria they pole dance.
And then leyo mali mele bayibhatale. And if I'm wrong and if I'm lying, mabaze emakubo mu December for Christmas. Yeah. Phela bayovakashela imindeni yabo if they can go as they please.
Oh, they can't.
Yeah.